Hello friends, I am Sumit Bhatnagar. I am equity fund manager with LIC Mutual Fund, currently managing a few active funds, passive funds and arbitrage fund out here. Have been associated with LIC Mutual Fund for almost an year. Uh, and have an experience of around 20 years in financial services industry, spread across banks, capital market regulators and the mutual fund industry per se. Today I am going to speak about one of the funds, which is LICMF Large Cap Fund. This fund predominantly invests in large cap stock. As per regulatory construct, this fund has to invest at least 80% of the AUM in large cap stock. Now, what are large cap stocks? As per AMFI definition, large caps constitute top 100 companies by total market capitalization. Typically, these companies are segment leaders, companies with proven business models and very strong and capable management teams. These companies typically are less volatile than mid and small cap companies, as also these companies have ability to withstand economic downturns and business cycles better than mid and small cap space. Now, why large cap funds? There are concerns around valuations in mid and small cap space as of now. But if you look at the valuations in large cap space, they are still reasonable. If you look at valuations on 1 year forward basis, currently they are trading at only at slight premium to the historical 10-year averages. Considering India's strong macroeconomic environment, policy continuity, global tailwind in the form of China plus one, expected strong earning growth, we remain positive on large cap as a space and expect earnings to be pretty robust going forward. As per Bloomberg consensus estimates, the earnings are expected to grow in low teens over next 2 years, giving a very strong investment environment for this space. LICMF Large Cap Fund, we follow a combination of top-down and bottom-up for building the portfolios. That is, idea is to identify key themes to play. Typically, those themes have structural macro tailwinds and or strong government policy supports. Once those schemes are identified, we look at the best opportunities to play those themes. Even in mid and small cap stocks, idea is to identify stocks which have a potential to be future large caps or have a long runway of growth. Typically, we look at sectors which are not available in large caps to play through the mid and small cap portion of the portfolios. In terms of portfolio construct, currently our allocation is 82% large cap and 15% mid and small cap. And in terms of sectoral allocations, we are positive on FMCG on the back of pickup in domestic demand, as also expected government support for rural consumption. We are positive on power financiers, infra, capital goods as a theme, while banks and metals continue to be our key underweights in the portfolio. This fund is suitable for investors with a 3-year plus type of a time frame with decent returns expectations. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.